Hi everybody, I'm Addison James and I'm here to show HCC students about the SafeAssign plagiarism software that we use here at HCC. So what I'm going to do is show you on my screen here a student, fake student sample that I ran through this report. So I've uploaded the paper. So you can see the student work right there. Okay, and so what I've done is then ran that through the plagiarism software, SafeAssign. It does this automatically, and you as the student, you can see this. The instructor will enable it so you can see the SafeAssign. So you go to the Originality Report, and once you're looking at the Originality Report, oh wow, this one has a high risk of plagiarism. The text in this attempt was likely copied from other sources because it includes excessive quoted or paraphrased material. Average match 46%, 46% highest match. So I'm going to look at additional content right here. And you can see this as well when you turn in. Where did this come from? So I click on it, student paper. Shark finning is the practice of slicing original source. Stop shark finning states shark finning is the oh, look, this student did not put that in quotation marks. That's plagiarism, right? Now, did they forget to do that? Probably. With a direct quote, they might have forgotten that. So anyway, as a student, when you submit, you need to look at your plagiarism or originality report and see what it's saying there. So I, as the instructor, can continue to go through. I can continue to click on everything. It gives me a probability or likelihood that the original source, they included the great white, white tip, tiger, and bull sharks. These species included great white, tiger, oceanic white tip, and bull sharks. Okay, so maybe they just took some info from that list, but that's not plagiarism there. I wouldn't think. They just have the same thing. I'd have to read the context, but as you can see, each example of potential plagiarism is highlighted, and then it even links us as the instructors to the exact thing on the website where it was taken. So as the instructors, we're not trying to catch you plagiarizing. This software is in place so it catches you if you're plagiarizing, and then we go from there. So you look at the report when you turn that in. We'll look at the report when we grade, and then from there we determine. See if you look down here, it's saying all of this is plagiarism. So when I check the report, I know there's going to be some percentage of plagiarism because there are direct quotes, and then there are source citations. So anyway, I think what you could do is continue to submit as normal, but when you do submit, check out your originality report. And so you can see that the teachers are seeing even the names of the websites where this came from. So then they have a direct link back to the website, the database, if you got it from the database, from the academic database, and it tells you other student papers that use the same source material. Scholarly journals, and then as the teacher, we have all this information here to then make a judgment whether if you plagiarized. There's not really this like, oh, we'll go back and fix it. If there's an accident, maybe a discussion happens, but if you plagiarize something, you are susceptible to getting a 0 on that assignment, no questions asked. Because the software said so, right? There's no debate about that. You could even potentially fail the course. And if in some cases you could be kicked out of the college for plagiarizing, but you're definitely not going to get academic credit and in terms of a grade on a paper that's plagiarized. So this software is out there for the teachers, but just like the teachers, the students access it. So you use that as a resource, and when you turn it in, you might it says plagiarism. That's what I meant, and then you could message the teacher and say, can I resubmit? Or if you are allowed unlimited submissions, you could resubmit by correcting the plagiarized part or the part that you accidentally got wrong. Anyway, I hope this is a helpful video.